Post-construction termite treatment for attached garage slabs needs to be included because garages and slabs on grade are common entry points for subterranean termites. Treat the perimeter and exposed slab edges with a labeled termiticide following the product's mixing and application rates and safety instructions, applying evenly along the poured concrete edge where soil meets slab. Where the slab has control joints, voids, or utilities that create gaps, drill and inject termiticide into the soil beneath the slab at an angle so the chemical contacts the soil matrix under the concrete. Use a lattice or grid pattern at closer spacing, near suspected entry points, and at wider spacing elsewhere, guided by soil type and product label. For garage to house interfaces, install passive physical collars made from sheet metal or polyethylene around pipes and conduits and seal gaps with an elastomeric sealant to deny direct wood contact to soil and to force termites into treated zones. Maintain a clear separation between wooden members and concrete by ensuring plate lines and framing do not rest on the slab and by keeping combustible storage off slab edges, and inspect and correct any soil or mulch mounted against sheathing or rim joists. Use granular bait or monitoring stations along the garage perimeter if local regulations allow and if you want ongoing surveillance, replacing stations per label directions and recording activity. Keep detailed treatment records including product, rate, date, drill spacing, and weather conditions so follow-up treatments or warranties are supported. Common mistakes include treating only the yard perimeter and ignoring slab edges, which allows termites to bypass the treated zone. Correct this by treating the poured edge and drilling under slabs where warranted to create a continuous barrier. Another error is failing to address utility penetrations and door thresholds, which creates untreated entry points. Solve that by drilling and injecting around penetrations and installing collars and sealants at thresholds. A third issue is leaving wood members in direct contact with concrete or soil, which gives termites a bridge. Prevent that by re-establishing proper clearance, removing stored materials that touch the slab, and using rot and moisture control to eliminate conducive conditions. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who perform termite and foundation treatments and helps contractors get visibility and leads for garage and slab work. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange treatment tips, local experience, and product questions.